poo trails everywhere. Praline, I'm going to squirt some on your paw. Praline was super excited about the food. She basically ate an entire syringe full last night. She was the only one who was really excited about it. What's going on in here? Okay, so, I have something else exciting. Let's see. Where can we put it? This is from Janet W. It arrived yesterday, and I put it together this morning. I think I will have to move things around a bit. You can come here for a minute. So can your little orange friend. So can your other little orange friend. What else? Oh, this is like the Muniverse Senior. The big Muniverse. Hi, folks. Ooh. So what I'm gonna do, this will work out great because I can put this over by the door to help Mom get in and out. Uh-oh, who bet got stuck? Oh! There. I've also got the vacuum in here to get them used to it so that they don't associate scary things with loud noises. Alright. This is fun. Oh. See how long that takes to become popular. Hi, Punky Punks. Let's put the food over here. Hi, Punky Punks. Oh, you're so adorable. So adorable. Why are your feet wet? Did you step in food or pee? Hi, Mama. Alright. Back to work. For me. Did I say thank you to Janet? I don't think I did. Thank you for the amazing big universe. As you can see, the kittens are already very excited. It's the perfect interim size. Lots of fun, thank you. Alright. Now back to